I have a Halford's lock here. I've had this for a little while. Used to use it on a kids trailer for my bike, but only recently found out how easy this thing is to pick. I've just got a standard pick and turning tool. Put it in. I'm actually even going to use the pick the wrong way up. There we go. That's it. Unlocked. That was how easy it is, and I am a complete novice. Do that again. There we go. It's that easy. If you've got one of these Halford's lock, I would suggest you change it for something a bit stronger. Thank you.